Hello, my fourth graders. So today you're going to learn something about the treble clef, yeah, or the G clef. It's a clef that you use for writing notes, yeah, and I show you quickly how this clef is written, yeah, on the 5 lines. And so I'm in school, I'm here on the whiteboard, and I'm going to try to show it to you how to draw it correctly. The treble clef is a clef that you are using for instruments with a high pitch, so high-pitched instruments. Instruments then that can use or play tunes that are really high. For instance, the violin is an instrument that can play very high. So from the orchestra instrument, mostly the really small instruments can play really high, yeah? And maybe you can also find out which instruments are using the treble clef. So, but today's task is you're going to draw the treble clef correctly, yeah? And then you practice a little bit. On a blank sheet of paper, you need to draw 5 lines, and you can also print one from the internet. So note paper without a clef. So it starts like this. So here on the middle line, you're going to draw a half circle, like this. You start on the middle line, then you draw it a little bigger, like that. It looks a little bit like a 6, as you can see. Then you start over again, draw it up, like that. And then comes a little curve. Now it looks a little bit like an 8, yeah, like a standing 8. So now you start over again here, and then you go down all the way. Okay? And the last thing is this here. You're going to start there, go up, draw down, and then make a little circle in the end. Okay? So start here on the middle line. You go down to the bottom line and then up like a 6. Then it looks like an 8. Then you need to turn here and draw the line down. And then you go down and draw this here. So what I want you to do is you are going to find a note sheet. So with the 5 lines, there should be at least, let's say on a normal sheet of paper, there should be at least 5 or 6 of these, yeah, 5 or 6, and then you're going to draw the treble clef on these 6 staffs. Yeah, so this is a staff. If there are 5 lines, then we call it a staff. 6 of the staffs, yeah, and you draw the treble clef nicely and practice drawing it, yeah, because it's not so easy. Okay, this is your task for this week. I'm still in school, I'm still on the whiteboard, and I'm greeting you. Stay healthy and bye.